Hi there. So the next step is actually logging on to the system. So what you'll end up doing if you don't have, if you're not accessing it through the welcome email, you have to enter your web address. So it's summersfield.managebac.com/login, and that will take you here. And this is the same for kids as it is for parents. So once I'm here, and normally you would just save this on your kind of favorites so you can get it quickly. You have to enter your info. So I'm going to enter the dummy password I've made. And hopefully we gain access. And you'll see here that I've created a student named sample student, and I've put this student in P5, and I myself and Melissa are the parents. So this is really the starting point. So this is actually what a student sees, but the parent view, which you'll be prompted to do your own, is very, very similar. So I'll take you through kind of what the student view is, and just know that the parent view is quite similar as well.